Hey everyone, it's Vince from Stahls. Earth Day is a great reminder that the way we produce apparel matters. One of the biggest opportunities decorators have to reduce waste and operate more sustainably is something we talk about all the time: print on demand. Today, we're going to discuss how print on demand with Stahls heat transfers and fulfill engine reduces inventory waste, lowers overproduction, and creates a smarter, more sustainable environment for us all. For years, apparel decoration has been built around forecasting and bulk ordering. Businesses order hundreds or even thousands of garments, hoping they'll sell. But when styles change, sizes don't move, or a sales promo ends, those garments often end up sitting in storage until they end up going to the trash bin. And that's where print on demand changes the equation. With print on demand, you'll only produce the item after it's been ordered. That means decorators can order exactly what they need when they need it. There's no guessing, there's no excess inventory, and no more blanks that end up in a landfill wasting your money. This is better for the environment and your pockets. By reducing unsold apparel and wasted blanks, decorators can make a conscious effort to reduce the impact of our industry on the environment. One of the biggest reasons print-on-demand technology works so well today is because of heat printing technology. Unlike traditional decoration methods that used to require large minimums, screens, or complex setups, heat printing gives decorators the ability to produce orders as they come in with speed and flexibility. With heat transfers, decorators can apply one garment at a time. That means no overproduction and less garments sitting on shelves waiting to sell. Instead of printing hundreds of pieces in advance hoping they'll sell, decorators can stay ready for orders with transfers and blanks that arrive quickly, fulfilling on demand without the risk of producing waste. This is what makes heat printing such a powerful engine behind print on demand. It gives businesses the flexibility to decorate smarter and on the fly, still meeting customer demands effectively and efficiently. And with industry-leading heat presses, transfers, and decoration technology from Stahls, decorators have the tools to build efficient, sustainable production workflows. Simply put, print on demand isn't possible without the heat press. Platforms like Fulfill Engine take the power of print on demand even further. Fulfill Engine allows brands and retailers to run network-based programs where orders are decorated and shipped only after they are placed. This too eliminates excess inventory while still allowing brands to offer a huge range of designs, styles, and products. It's a smarter way to scale without creating unnecessary waste and without the risk. For decorators, sustainability isn't just about doing the right thing, it's about running a smarter business. Print on demand reduces risks, lowers inventory costs, and gives you the flexibility to respond to trends without overproducing. And when you combine heat printing technology with Stahls fulfillment solutions like Fulfill Engine, you can fully be on top of the print-on-demand train by building a production model that is efficient, scalable, and more sustainable. Now is a great time to think about how the choices we make in production impact the industry. Print-on-demand is not just a trend. It's a smarter way to produce apparel that reduces waste, improves efficiency, and supports a more sustainable future for everyone. With the right tools from Stahls, heat transfers, equipment, and Fulfill Engine automation solutions, it's easier than ever to make the shift. This Earth Day, remember, the most sustainable garment is the one that's produced only when it's ordered. And that's exactly what print on demand from Stahls makes possible. Thanks for your time.